Frustrated by the Hyperlink Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before we begin the manual steps for Hyperlink Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Hyperlink Library, a native Windows library that provides the OLE hyperlink infrastructure. It allows applications to embed and resolve clickable links that trigger web browsers or other software. It is a high-volume dependency for Office and PDF readers. If missing, clicking any link within an application will result in an immediate application hang or hyperlink initialization failed. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files, such as Hyperlink Library DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Hyperlink Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Hyperlink Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to Hyperlink Library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Hyperlink Library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.